There's more to Hawaii than beaches. There's also rainforest. So I just parked at the Lynn Arboretum. We're going to go for a hike today through the jungle and the rainforest up to Manoa Falls. So it's been raining up in the mountains for the last several days I've been here. So pretty much guaranteed there will be water. I just think there might be a lot of water. So I'm getting ready to get rained on and to have a very muddy hike. If you do park in, and I think it's not Lynn, it's Lion Arboretum's parking lot, go in the visitor center and give them a $5 donation. So it helps fund this absolutely beautiful rainforest that I'm in right now. You know, this is what seeing the world is all about. You get to discover these incredibly beautiful places. Get to see places you've never thought or ever dreamed of going. Yeah, this is definitely going to be one of those hikes that makes me thankful for being able to do the jobs that I do that let me travel the world like this. Well, when I was down in the parking lot, I talked to people who just came down from hiking up here and asked them which way to go. So they said, kind of go up here and make a right onto this trail, which I did. But the problem is this trail is not quite heading towards the actual Manoa Falls trail where it's supposed to join up. I've been watching on Google. Well, we're starting to turn right, so maybe we're going to get there. So this hike may get a little longer than I thought. We'll see. I think this is the part where I might be getting lost. The trail's starting to get a little interesting. Now, I just saw an elder lady pass up this way, so there's still got to be something up here. But take a look at this trail. It's getting a little rugged. Okay, well, I came to a fork in the road, and looking on Google Maps, heading that way should take me towards the falls. This way's going up, that way's going down. So I think we'll try it that way because it looks the most promising route. Okay, well, I guess I should have gone left instead of right because we're back to where I was about 5 minutes ago. So I guess we'll go back through that rough spot and make a left and see if it takes us to somewhere where we can go to get to this waterfall. Okay, so when I asked them about the falls, apparently it's some falls I didn't see on the map, because look what I found here on the trailhead. It was bound to happen. Found the jungle mud. Hopefully there's water up here. Well, the coolness in the air tells me we found a waterfall. Well, yeah, this makes the job a lot of fun when you get to go out here and find things like this. But I'm just gonna get this mud off my leg. Well, there's a small little pond up here, so I'm just gonna get my leg in there, cool off a little bit, and then I don't know if that's another trail right there or not. We'll have to take a look, but get this mud off. Well, I guess I should have been more specific when I asked about the waterfall. This is actually a place I was told I could come to get access to the other one. But hey, we got this one instead, so well, I'll sit here for a few more minutes, let my feet soak in this nice cool water, and then we'll see if we can get any compositions with the camera. This waterfall's not exactly as strong as what I was hoping, but we'll see what we can do with it. Rain, sun, and mosquitoes. I am definitely in the jungle. Watch the time out here. So I just came by one of the gardeners who said they're gonna be locking up soon, so I need to move. So it's about 4:15 right now, and that made me realize I need to get to that other trail if we're gonna be doing it tonight. Completely lost track of time out here.
Alright, well, guess what? It's time to call it an episode. See, went out hiking in the rainforest, saw the waterfall, just about slid off the trail and got all muddy, and got this great view. I really wish the sun would have came out, but yeah, this is kind of unusual weather they're having with these constant clouds this time of the year. So, well, you take what you can get, but you can't beat that view. So I'm going to go drive down the Waikiki, grab myself some dinner, and get to bed, and get these batteries recharged. So catch y'all later, and we'll see if we can get another episode out from Hawaii before I head home.